viewers, welcome to our channel. General knowledge is very essential. It is strongly associated with general intelligence and with openness to experience. In our today's video, we will solve few general knowledge questions. Let's move on. First question, how many Earths can fit in a Jupiter? Jupiter can fit 1300 Earths. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun. Jupiter is so big that all the other planets in the solar system could fit inside it. When is United Nations Day celebrated? United Nations Day is celebrated on 24th October since 1945. Proteins are made from which substance? Proteins are made from amino acids. There are about 300 amino acids which occur in nature. Amino acids are the building units of proteins. What is the normal blood percentage? It is 7% of the body weight. Average blood volume is product of patient weight in kgs and average blood volume in milliliter per kg. Who wrote, "Where ignorance is bliss, it is folly to be wise"? It's written by William Shakespeare, who is an English playwright, poet, and actor. It means if you don't know about something, you don't need to worry about it. It is better to remain ignorant of things that may otherwise cause one stress. How many eyes do spiders have? Spiders have 8 eyes. Spiders can have anywhere from 0 to 8 eyes, but most species have only 8. What is study of weather called? Study of weather is called as meteorology. Moving to next question. By seeing the image, we could guess it's an island. How many islands are there in India? We have 1208 islands. Which gas is released from the ground minutes or hours before an earthquake is about to strike? It's radon. Radon is a naturally occurring radioactive gas which is produced when uranium, radium, thorium break down in soil, rock and water. It's then released into the air. By which process can seawater be purified? Seawater can be purified by the process of distillation. Distillation is a separation technique that can be used to obtain pure components from the mixture. How many neighboring countries are there in India? India has 7 neighboring countries. India shares its border with Bangladesh, China, Pakistan, Nepal, Myanmar, Bhutan and Afghanistan. For those who face difficulty in remembering the borders, can just remember Bachpan Mein MBA. Isn't it easy? Who is the father of nuclear physics? It's Ernst Rutherford. How much is average normal body temperature? The normal body temperature is 98.5 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. Normal body temperature varies by person, age, activity, and time of day. The average normal body temperature is generally expected as 98.6 degree Fahrenheit, though it may differ from person to person. How many nerves are there in human body? Human body has 7 trillion nerves. All these nerves are part of our body nervous system. Pedology is the science related to the study of. It is the study of soil. How many queen bees will be there in a beehive? Only one. The queen is the mother of the hive. One queen can lay 1,000 eggs each day, which again develop into honeybees. When was ISRO formed? ISRO was formed on 15th August 1969. India's first satellite Aryabhatta was launched from which place? Aryabhatta was the first unmanned Earth satellite built by India. It is launched from Soviet Union by a Russian-made rocket in 1975. How many number of occurrences of 1 in numbers ranging from 1 to 100? It's 20. How many people have walked on the moon? Out of the 24 astronauts who had been to space, 12 of them have walked on the moon. Here is the list of 12 astronauts. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to watch more videos. Also, please drop your comments in the comment section. Have a nice day.